Hello everyone, this is Rohit here from SAC Medicare Systems. Today we are introducing Contact CMS 8000 multi-para monitor. Coming to the machine, this is the front side of the machine. This contains a large display along with a keypad and a rotary encoder switch. This side, these are the connections for patient leads and cables. Back side, this is the power connector and this is the connection for network. Connect the AC mains power cord to the back side of the machine and press this power button. Machine will turn on. The front side of the machine, this is the power on off button and there are two indicators. This is for AC mains indication and this is for battery indication. And this keypad, this is the menu button, an ABP start stop button, a record and stop button, this alarm silence button, waveform freeze button and main menu button. This is a rotary encoder switch and here is the alarm indicator. This monitor will monitor ECG, SpO2, NIBP, respiration rate and temperature along with the optional dual IBP and ETCO2. Coming to the main menu of the machine, this the first setting is patient setup. Here we can select add the patient demographics and patient type. This is the default settings. This is a trend graph setting. This is a graphical representation of trends. And this is the tabular view of the trend. In both in the tabular view and graphical view, we can adjust the resolution and zoom in, zoom out and select the parameters. This is NIBP recall, NIBP history. This is alarm recall. It will show all the alarms present. There is no alarm present right now. This is a system setup where we can select the different screen setup. This is a standard screen right now we are viewing. This is the Oxy CRG view of the machine. This is the trend screen which will show the real-time trends. This is the big character display for night time and all. And after connecting the ECG, we can select this 12 lead also. This is viewed screen. Let's go back to standard screen. And inside this menu, we can select the waveform setup, like which wave to display where. And waveform selection, which all waveform. The parameter setup, which all parameters and which color to represent. Parameter selection, time setup, alarm setup. Here we can set the alarm volume and alarm levels. This is a record setup, which waveform to record and all. This is a event mark settings. This is a version indicator, drug calculation, maintenance, demo mode. This is all in the main menu. Press and hold this power button to turn off the machine. It's a CE FDA approved product from Contact. It's a very good monitor. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to SAC Medicare Systems on social media platforms. Thank you.